Word of the day, word of the day, it's the word of the day.
Today's word of the day is oscillation. The repeated back and forth or up and down movement of an object or signal, like a swinging pendulum or a vibrating string. The oscillation of the fan blades helps spread cool air evenly throughout the room. Oscillation. Try and use oscillation in a sentence today. Why do you think oscillation is important in things like clocks or sound waves? Discuss with your class or leave a comment. Try and use the word of the day in your conversation and leave a comment with how you used it. Remember to like and subscribe for more of BrainBall's education content. Have a great day.